Good afternoon, everyone. This is Adrian from Illustration and Media Digital Applications. I'm going to be making a new video giving you further instructions on completing assignment 1 for next week. So to start off, I'm going to be using the model that Janelle has created so far. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up. So you can see what we have here is the first and second floor plan inserted from ArcDaily. If we go ahead and hide the second floor plan, you can get a better sense of the geometry in the model. On the first floor, you have the exterior walls that are grouped together and the interior walls that are grouped together. Same on the second floor plan. The next steps are now to create the window and door holes in your model and then insert components within these holes. So in order to do this accurately, what we're going to have to do is bring in elevations or sections if that is available for our project. If not, we'll be using photographs. But I have found some sections for Janelle's project, so I'm going to be showing you how to use those. So similar to the first video, I'm going to bring in one of the sections I found on ArcDaily. And I'm just going to place it right here. Now, similar to the first video, this section is not going to be to scale. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to use the tape measure command. Measure this dimension over here, which is 16.5 meters. And then measure that exact same dimension in the model, which is 10.5 meters. Take out my calculator. Do 10.5 divided by 16.5. And we'll see that our model actually has to be 0.63 times smaller than what it currently is. So if we select our model, come up to the scale command, click on uniform scale, and type in 0.63. Our section is now the correct scale. And what we can do is, as an example, choose a window hole to model on our model. So if we zoom into this window right here, we're going to want to learn what the dimensions of this window are. So using the tape measure tool, we're going to click from one side of the window frame to the other. So this is about 4.2 meters wide by 1.7 meters in length. We're also going to need a reference dimension. So I'd like to reference from this point right here, which is actually this point in the section. So what we're going to do is draw another dimension from here to here. This is about 3.5, so 350 millimeters by 350 millimeters. So we can actually go ahead now and draw this whole window hole in our model. If you come to the component, the first floor exterior wall component, double click to get inside of it, and using the tape measure tool, you can type in 350 by 350, and this is our insertion point. So now using a rectangle command, you can actually just draw directly the window hole. So this was 4.2 meters by 1.7 meters. And this is the area where this window is applied directly on the model. Now to make this a window hole, what we can do is we can take the push-pull command and just push this right on through. So you can see what we've created now is a hole, exactly the dimension specified in the section, where we can now insert a window component. You might come to find that there may be some errors, such as this wall butting up right against the window frame. but you'll have to work with that as you come to find these mistakes. So for next week, please do go around your model and isolate where there are windows, draw the window holes, and using the module that you're going to be viewing this week, please insert components of windows and doors within your model. Thank you very much.